When you begin your property investment journey, squatting and adverse possession can become an unexpected challenge. Many landlords do not realize the importance of squatters' rights or adverse possession until they are faced with this issue. Hi, I'm Olivia Kaplan with Rentifi Property Management, and today we'll be exploring what squatters' rights mean and how you can protect your property from these legal risks. What are squatters' rights? First, let's define squatting versus adverse possession. Squatting is occupying a property without the permission from the owner. Adverse possession, a legal framework allowing squatters to claim ownership of a property after a certain period under specific conditions. What are the differences between squatters' rights and trespassing? Squatting is not necessarily a criminal act, whereas trespassing is. Squatters may legally remain in the property if they meet required criteria. In some cases, squatters can gain possession rights after a long period. Trespassers are unlawfully present without any potential for ownership. It is important to distinguish between squatting and trespassing. A squatter, unlike a trespasser, might legally gain ownership after years of occupancy, provided they meet certain conditions. This makes squatting a legal concern for property owners. While laws vary, common requirements for adverse possession may include a hostile possession, one without the owner's permission, actual possession, physical use of the property, open and notorious possession. This one is clearly visible to others, exclusive possession. This one is occupied alone by the squatter, and continuous possession, for an extended period without any interruption. To legally claim ownership through adverse possession, squatters must meet several key criteria. For example, they must occupy the property openly and continuously for a set number of years without the owner's permission. Florida statutes recognize this as 7 years. Dealing with squatters can be time-consuming and frustrating. To prevent squatting issues in the first place, you should consider working with a property management company. At Rentifi Property Management, we can help you fill vacancies quickly, manage tenants effectively, and protect your properties from legal complications. Click the link in the description to get a free rental consultation. How to handle squatters. Some steps landlords can take. Do not attempt to physically remove the squatters yourself. You should serve a written notice to vacate. If the squatter refuses to leave, you need to initiate the legal eviction proceedings. And lastly, work with an attorney or a property management company to ensure the proper procedures are followed. If you have a squatter on your property, the first step is to follow the proper legal procedure. Start by serving a formal notice to vacate. If they refuse to leave, you'll need to file an eviction through the court system. So, in conclusion, squatters' rights and adverse possession can be complex legal issues for landlords. Understanding the legal process in Florida is crucial to protecting your rental properties. Staying informed and working with professionals can help avoid squatting problems. Squatters' rights and adverse possession are tricky issues, but understanding your rights and your obligations as a landlord can help protect your investment. Keep track of your properties, stay informed on local regulations, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional help when needed. To ensure the security and peace of mind of your rental properties, consider working with the experienced property managers here at Rentifi Property Management.